I am a senior associate at Exponent. We're a engineering and scientific consulting company, and what we end up doing a lot, our bread and butter is failure analysis. So the latest thing that we worked on was the Samsung battery failure case, but I like to kind of think of myself as like a professional mythbuster. Do a lot of failure analysis, expert testimony. We're also doing a lot of ad hoc engineering work for our clients. So it's really just what our clients need in terms of engineering. I became an engineer because I wanted to affect change in the world, right? I wanted to be able to work on technologies and see them improving people's lives. And I think that's a big part of the IEEE mission as well, is to kind of improve the human condition. I think that as part of a lot of my work now, I can't talk about most of it, unfortunately, but I'm able to work with a lot of very innovative and disruptive players in the field with our clients, and working on technologies that really are going to change the human condition. I think we're at a very exciting juncture right now when it comes to disruptive innovation. There are a lot of very interesting technologies coming out that I think are going to converge with each other, synergize, if you will, and really change the way that humans are interacting. I think the panel that I just hosted, we were talking about artificial intelligence, VR and AR, and we were also talking about the Internet of Things. These are just kind of three of the main things that everyone is talking about now. There's also wearable technology and a lot of other things kind of in the pipeline, but I think the main idea is how we collect data and interact with technology as a whole will be much more natural, and with natural interfaces, be it being able to talk to your Alexa or your Echo or something like that, or being able to just strap something to your wrist and have that being something that tracks you. It'll be interesting to see what all this data becomes, and how all of this will evolve over time, but it's a very exciting time to see where technology will take us. I became an engineer honestly because I was always curious. I always wanted to see how things worked. I played with Kinects as a kid. I took my Barbie apart. I beheaded her the first day that I got her. And I think all of this really just spoke to sort of my passion for science and technology and math, but at the same time that engineering, especially electrical engineering, is definitely where it's going to be at. Everything is going to be connected to the internet or have some sort of processor in it, and this really is the future. And I really encourage all young girls out there to get involved in any way that they can. You don't have to become an electrical engineer. You can become an innovator. You can get in on the business side if that's what you're interested in, but really technology, electrical engineering, hardware, software, all of this is going to be integrated into almost every part of our daily lives. So, and it's a lot of fun to be able to be a part of it.